Let's take a look at this example. We're supposed to find IS and I5. We're supposed to find I4. So let's write this down. Find. Okay, and we have IS. We're supposed to find I5. We're supposed to find I4. Okay, and we're supposed to find I3. Okay, current which goes through resistor R3. So we assume that this circuit is connected to some kind of source, and the current is going through the circuit. So IS is the current which will split into these two currents. So we can say that IS is equal to I5, because this is the input to the circuit, and this is looking like the output to the circuit. I'm saying that because, let's say, we have like current going this direction, so I assume that the current is coming from somewhere, okay, from the device which is connected to the circuit. So I simply say that this is equal I1 plus I2, where I1, okay, is the current which goes through resistor R1, which is equal 32 milliamps plus 6 milliamps, which is equal 38 milliamps. Okay, so this is 38 milliamps. So this is my IS and I5. Next, okay, I found this one, and I found this IR4, okay, or I4. This is the current which will go through this resistor. So please notice that I have current which goes through this branch, and this is 18 milliamps, and I have 6 milliamps coming through this node. So the current I4, we can call this also IR4, is equal, okay, in this case 18 milliamps plus I2. So this is 18 milliamps plus 6 milliamps. So we have I4 is equal 24 milliamps. Okay, I4 is equal 24 milliamps. If comes to I3, okay, I3, so I have this current, okay, is simply the difference of these two currents. This current minus this current will give me this current. So I have IR1 minus 18 milliamps is equal simply IR1, which is equal 32 milliamps. You can call this I1 or IR1. 32 milliamps minus 18 milliamps is equal 14 milliamps. Okay, so if you want to verify, this current plus this current is supposed to give me I5. So I5 is equal I3 plus I4, where I3 is equal 14 milliamps plus I4, which is equal 24 milliamps, and this is simply equals 38 milliamps. So whatever comes in comes out. As you can see, IS is equal 38 milliamps and I5 is equal 38 milliamps. So everything looks fine, because whatever comes in, the same amount has to get out. So the problem is solved correctly.